shop and got some candy and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna be trying everything in it. I've had a lot of this stuff before, but I just thought it'd be fun to film. So I'm gonna lay it all out. This. And I just had my dinner, so I'm like full, so I might not eat it all. So this is part one. I don't know. Oh, you can't see it. This is just going to go back. Sorry, you can't see it. And then last thing, a Kinder Surprise. So the first thing we're going to do is this. I'm going to save the really big things for last and maybe part two. So So I'm going to explain the things we have here. So we have Kinder Surprise, a blackcurrant rain pop, a crunchy, and the sparkling ice, orange and mango flavored drink. I don't really know what it's supposed to be, like juice or something. So we're going to start with this. So I know I'm not in my normal place, that's because someone's watching TV, and I just didn't want like a background sound and then you couldn't like, then you like can't hear me, so yeah, I had to come to the bathroom. Okay, so we're gonna try the chocolate. Try out, I'm trying always. Kinder never lets me down. Let's see what thing we got. Oh, we got a shark. We got a shark. I'm not gonna bother with that's what it's supposed to be. I hear all of it. I don't know if I should eat this all now, because I'm still really full. I'm gonna save this bit for later. So sorry. It's probably really boring to just watch me eat, so you can click off the video if you want. I'm really full. Didn't know how full I was. I should have like waited till tomorrow to do this video. So this is gonna be in part 2 tomorrow, and I'm just gonna take like literally a bite out of this. So this is what it looks like. And by the way, this is honeycomb inside. It says it on the wrapper. What does that say? Where? One side. So it says honeycomb wrapped in Cadbury milk chocolate on that side. And then on the other side, we have that Great Friday feeling with crunchy. It's actually Monday, but shh. It's really good. I might take it. So good. Okay, I'm really sorry, but I'm so full. I'm gonna have to end the video here. But tomorrow, I promise I'll do part 2. And I might have eat the spirals tonight. So like, if I don't do spirals or big hula hoops or something, you know why. So bye.